નમસ્કાર વિદ્યાર્થી મિત્રો, એમટીસી આખા ચેનલમાં આપનું સ્વાગત છે. ધોરણ 8 દ્વિતીય સત્ર ગાલા સ્વાધ્યાય પોથી યુનિટ 1 યુ લવ ઇંગ્લિશ ડોન્ટ યુ, તેનો આજે આપણે જોઈશું પ્રશ્ન નંબર 1 અને 2, જેના પાના નંબર છે 19 થી 26. ક્વેશ્ચન નંબર 1, રીડ ધ લાઇન્સ એન્ડ આન્સર ધ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ. અહીંયા મિત્રો એક કવિતા આપી છે અને તેના આધારે આપણે અહીંયા પ્રશ્નોના જવાબ આપવાના છે. જોઈશું પ્રશ્ન નંબર 1. Write the names of colors in the poem. Blue, green, red and yellow. Number 2. Write the names of objects in the poem. Answer: sky, water, sea, grass, leaves, tree, sun, bed, flower, sunflower. Number 3. What is blue? The sky and water in the sea are blue. Number 4. What is green? Grass and leaves on trees are green. Question number 5. What color is the sun in the morning? Number 6. Which flowers are yellow? Answer: sunflowers are yellow. Question number 2. Read the following paragraphs from the lesson. આ મિત્રો એક ફકરો આપ્યો છે પાઠનો અને તેના આધારે પ્રશ્નો આપ્યા છે. જોઈશું પ્રશ્નો. આન્સર ધ ફોલોઈંગ ક્વેશ્ચન્સ. વોટ ડીડ ધ બબલ ટ્રી હેવ? આન્સર: ધ બબલ ટ્રી હેડ સ્ટ્રેટ બ્રાન્ચીસ એન્ડ લોંગ white thorns at the base of each leaf tail. Number 2. How was the bubble tree different from the other trees? The bubble tree had small and unattractive leaves had thorns. Number 3. What did the bubble tree hate? Answer: the bubble tree hated its thorns. Number 4. Why was bubble tree sad? The bubble tree was sad because it had small and unattractive leaves and long white thorns. MCQ. Number 1. The bubble tree hated its ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number C. Number 2. The bubble tree had ખાલી જગ્યા branches. Answer number A, straight. Number 3. The bubble tree's leaves were ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number D, small and unattractive. Number 4. The bubble tree had ખાલી જગ્યા at the base of each leaf. Answer number B, long white thorns. Paragraph number 2. Questions. What did Vandevi say about the bubble tree's leaves and thorns? Answer: Vandevi said that the bubble tree had excellent leaves and thorns to protect it. Number 2. Why was the bubble tree upset? Answer: the bubble tree was upset because it didn't like its tiny leaves. Number 3. What did the bubble tree want? The bubble tree wanted golden leaves and no thorns. MCQ. Which word in the passage means very good? Answer number B, excellent. Number 2. Bubble didn't like its ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number A, tiny leaves. Number 3. The bubble wanted ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number D, golden leaves. Number 4. Vandevi calls the bubble's leaves. Answer number C, excellent. Number 5. The bubble tree wanted to be ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number B, good looking. Number 3. Question. What happened to the leaves of the bubble tree? Answer: the leaves of the bubble tree change into sunlight, shining golden leaves. Number 2. What did Vandevi do? Answer: Vandevi touched the bubble's trunk with her magic stick and disappeared. Number 3. How did the bubble tree look? The bubble tree looked beautiful and very happy. MCQ. Vandevi touched the bubble's trunk with ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number A, her magic stick. Number 2. Which word in the passage means went away? Answer number D, disappear. 3. The leaves of the bubble tree changed into ખાલી જગ્યા, shining golden leaves. 4. The bubble tree had no ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number B, thorns. 5. The bubble tree looked ખાલી જગ્યા. Answer number D, beautiful and happy. 6. The bubble tree's ખાલી જગ્યા did not last long. Answer number C, happiness. Number 4. How did the bubble tree look without the golden leaves? The bubble tree looked ugly without the golden leaves. Number 2. The bubble tree's happiness did not last long with golden leaves because, answer, some people plucked all the golden leaves and ran away. Number 3. What did a man plan? Answer, a man planned to sell the leaves and buy things for his family. MCQ. Which word in the passage means pull out? Answer number C, pluck. Number 2. The bubble tree looked khali gaya without golden leaves. Answer number A, ugly. Paragraph number 5. Question. How will the bubble tree look with glass leaves? Answer. The bubble tree will look like a tree of light with glass leaves. Number 2. What did the bubble tree want now? The bubble tree now wanted sparkling glass leaves. 3. What did One Devi feel about the glass leaves? One Devi felt that the glass leaves would be risky. MCQ. The bubble tree wanted to have khali gaya. Number C, sparkling glass leaves. 2. Which word in the passage means dangerous? Answer number A, risky. 3. The bubble wanted to look like a khali gaya. Answer number B, free of light. તો મિત્રો આગળના ફકરા નંબર 6 થી 10 આપણે આગળના વિડીયોમાં જોઈશું. થેન્ક યુ.